that mask law is already creating a bit of a standoff. A Department of Homeland Security spokesperson called the law irresponsible, reckless, and dangerous, and says officers won't abide by it.
Governor Mikie Sherrill today signing bills that aim to influence how immigration officials operate in New Jersey. The governor saying about the new laws:
they protect people's privacy and their rights. They strengthen trust between law enforcement and our communities. And they help make sure our government delivers for the people and the businesses it's meant to serve.
The move, though, already prompting a standoff with the federal government. The Department of Homeland Security says it will not comply with a ban on masks for law enforcement. A DHS spokesperson saying in part, quote, sanctuary politicians attempting to ban our federal law enforcement from wearing masks is despicable and a flagrant attempt to endanger our officers. To be crystal clear, we will not abide by this unconstitutional ban. New Jersey is not the first to pass this kind of law. California's mask ban was struck down by a judge, but an ID requirement was upheld. Washington State's governor just signed a mask ban this month. There is proposed legislation pending in more than a dozen other states, according to the National Conference of State Legislatures. DHS says ICE officers wear face coverings to protect themselves and their families from threats. The law Governor Sherrill signed does have some exceptions, including when officers are on an undercover assignment, exposed to smoke or chemical agents, or the subject of a threat of retaliation resulting from the performance of the officer's official duties. The law also requires agents to provide identification before an arrest or detention.
I can't believe we have to say this, but in the United States of America, we're not going to tolerate masked roving militias pretending to be well-trained law enforcement agents.
Governor Sherrill today saying it's a step to keeping New Jerseyans safe, and that if the Trump administration challenges the law, her administration is happy to meet them in court.
I reached out to the governor's office about DHS's assertion that it will not abide by the new mask law and to find out how it would be enforced. And we are waiting for that information. Jacqueline?
We know you'll have it when it's available. Lauren, thank you.